Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen or until the watch turns off. It takes about 10 to 12 or 15 seconds basically. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done rebooting. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.